Have you ever wondered why truck accidents are so deadly? Let's look at some horrific cases from the past weeks. Punjab truck van collision. A Canter truck crashed into a pickup van, killing 11 people and injuring 15. Lucknow truck crash. A truck lost control on Itaunja Mahona Road, crashed into shops, leaving 3 dead and 5 injured. And we also remember Jaipur highway explosion. A chemical-laden truck collided into a petrol pump, causing a massive fire, killing 4 and injuring 37. Tragic, right? But why do these accidents happen so frequently? Are we just going to blame the government, roads and regulations? The reality of truck accidents. In 2024, over 4,500 people have died due to truck crashes, with 80% of victims being passengers in smaller vehicles. Since trucks are much heavier than cars, the smaller vehicles always suffer the worst impact. Key causes of truck accidents. Firstly, driver fatigue. Indian truck drivers work 15 to 18 hours non-stop, leading to exhaustion, slow reaction and deadly accidents. There is a device called driver fatigue monitoring system that uses cameras, sensors and AI to detect drowsiness through eye movements, blinking and steering patterns. It alerts the drivers with alarms, vibrations or warning to prevent accidents. It costs around Rs 25,000 to 30,000. Secondly, poor brakes and vehicle maintenance. Faulty brakes make trucks need 40% more distance to stop than cars, causing catastrophic accidents. Regular maintenance can prevent these crashes. Finally, blind spots and no zones. Many accidents happen when smaller vehicles enter a truck's blind spots. If you can't see the driver in the mirror, they can't see you. Stay visible and keep a safe distance. Let's see trucks with advanced technologies. Firstly, ADAS, featured with lane departure warning, forward collision warning and adaptive cruise control. Trucks installed with ADAS. Tata Prima with 6 wheels, Ashoka Leyland U312 with 6 wheels. Second, driver fatigue monitoring system. Trucks with these features. Mahindra Blazo X with 6 wheels. Electronic stability program prevents rollovers and skidding. Trucks with ESP. Ashoka Leyland Boss with 6 wheels, Tata Prima with 6 wheels. Finally, advanced braking system. Trucks with ABS and disc brakes. HL Pro series with 6 to 10 wheels, Tata Prima with 6 wheels. What has government done to improve truck safety? The government has taken steps such as enforcing resting periods for drivers, mandating advanced braking system for new trucks, investing in smart highways to improve traffic flow. But let's be honest, is that enough? Can a few regulations really fix a problem this big? What can we do to stay safe? Stay out of truck blind spots. Don't cut in front of trucks. Give extra space. Despite all technologies and rules, how many more accidents will it take for us to take truck safety seriously? Should the government do more, or it is up to trucking companies? Let us think about it and push for real change. What's your take?